In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Hostinger plan. Whether you're using shared hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS. If you're running out of resources or just want better performance, this guide will help you switch to a higher plan in Hostinger quickly and easily. Let's get started. To upgrade your hosting plan in Hostinger, just follow these steps. First, go to hostinger.com and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in the dashboard, H-Panel, go to the website section. Find the website you want to upgrade. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Upgrade. Now, select the new plan you want. Whether you're looking to upgrade shared hosting to cloud hosting, upgrade your VPS plan, or just increase hosting resources on Hostinger. After choosing your plan, complete the payment, and that's it. Your website, files, databases, and email will be automatically transferred to the upgraded plan. No manual work is needed. The system takes care of everything. You can also start the Hostinger hosting upgrade process through the billing section. Go to Billing, Subscriptions, find your hosting service and select Upgrade. Pick your new plan and complete the payment. Hostinger automatically adjusts the price based on how much time is left on your current plan, so you only pay the difference. This entire process helps you improve website performance with a Hostinger upgrade without downtime or complexity. To recap, log in at hostinger.com, go to Websites, click three dots, Upgrade, or go to Billing, Subscriptions, Upgrade. Choose a new plan and complete payment. All your data transfers automatically. You pay only for the unused portion of the current plan. Whether you're running a growing blog, an online store, or managing multiple domains, upgrading ensures you get the power and performance you need. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and sub.